time?
Yep.
Yes! Fat pack. Okay.
Oh, why did it stop? Oh, it didn't.
What's up? It's Christmas Day. Hey, hey, hey. What's going on, guys? Look. You getting ready to go? Ha.
You're not doing that.
Yeah, I know. What else have we got over here? They're pink. But that's okay. Because I'm not gay like some people. A little bit of crimping going on.
Ah! Don't look at the crimp.
The crimp! Look, a dog. Okay, bye.